Okay everybody, so this video is going to be all about my Bday slate, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I will be pointing out the colors that I'm using. This one right here is more of a brown shade for my transition shade, so I'm taking that into my crease and a little bit above my crease, and I'm bringing it all the way out so it just like angles out really smoothly. And then I'm going to go in with this color and put it right under my crease and on my crease, really just blending those two colors together. My lid, I'm going to be using Too Faced glitter glue, and we're just going to make this into a basically like a cut crease. I'm not using concealer because I really don't feel like I need it, so I'm going to use Iglot's Jennifer Lopez Cosmic Glow pigment, and this is just so bomb. It's gold and has that rose gold tint, and it just went like perfectly with my jumpsuit. So then I'm going to take this darker rosy brown shade and put that into the outer V of my eye, just blending it into that pigment and fading it out. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our lashes on, Queen Supreme of course, and these are mink lashes. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is the bomb. This is how I put my lashes on. Basically, I like to do a thin line across the lash line and then use tweezers to apply my lashes. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo HD foundation in the shade Caramel. I really like this foundation because it's silky, yet it still gives you full coverage without having to use a lot of product. And it's cheap, but this foundation is bomb. It does not give you that cast or that shadow. You know, you just won't look gray. So, of course, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to highlight. And of course, it's going in the regular spots. And then I'm going to blend this out, of course, just to give me just more of a flawless finish. I'm doing this very lightly. I didn't use a lot of product this time, and this concealer is very light yet full coverage. And I'm going to be using Patrick Starr's translucent powder just to set everywhere that I concealed. I really like this powder because it's light, yet you don't again get that cast, even though I do feel like it could use, I don't know, me and translucent powders, it's kind of like a hit and miss, but this one I do like. It's very seamless and very soft. This is definitely where my B-bib comes in handy, so no fallout whatsoever will get on my clothes. So I'm using that second shade that we used at first, and I'm putting this under the lash line. I feel like this gives me like that smoky effect without having to use black or having to use eyeliner. I'm going to put my mascara on, of course, on the bottom because that just pops the eye out without closing the eye. And of course, we're going to contour. I'm using Sleek Makeup's Extra Dark Contour Cream Palette. This is the second shade, so this is the middle shade on the top row. And I really like this. It gives me that bronzy effect. And of course, after applying, we're going to buff this out. Set my contour cream, I'm going to be using Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Honey Glow. And this is basically almost the same shade as my contour. I'm literally just pressing this in to set it. Next, it's time to glow with that Ofra Cosmetics, the highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This thing just makes your face pop. It is kind of on the super pale gold side, but I do like it because it gives you that extra pop. I do wish it had a little bit more warmth to it, but I thought this was perfect for my B-Day. Now it's time to line our lips. I'm using the NYX Dark Brown Lip Pencil, and I'm literally just lining the outside of my lips. I am not taking this on the inside or anything. I'm just going to blend this by rubbing my lips together. For lipstick, I'm using the MAC Nicki Minaj collab in the pink print, and I have been on this lipstick really hard. It's like my favorite nudie pink lipstick right now. And I'm going to be using the Femi Cosmetics gloss in Posh. Also, I've been on this stuff really hard. To set, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep and Prime Gold Light setting spray. I really love this stuff. It definitely gives you that gold just shimmer all over your face. This hair is by West Kiss Hair, and of course I'm just touching it up. I can't, you know, mimic the hair doc's work, but this was the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.